No, Brown Sugar Babe never has disappointed me yet.
We've been down, my regular. I'm talking takes for better.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, BerryFae, your favorite berry, your favorite strawberry. Today we are going to be unboxing a huge PR package from none other than Brown Sugar Babe. Y'all should have known it was coming. Y'all should have known it was coming. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Berry, aka Ariel. Welcome to the channel. Okay, we talk all things fragrance, beauty, home decor, all the things, vlogging, all of it. So if you like me, you like my vibe, consider subscribing and let's get into it. So we've got a huge PR package that I got from Brown Sugar Babe. Now it was delivered to me right before the holidays, but I was traveling, as y'all seen in my last couple of videos. I was in California, so yeah, so I'm finally getting around to it. We're gonna open this. I already know what this is, but now we get to unbox it, test it, smell it, do all the things, baby. And that's what we're gonna be doing today in today's video. Now, this box is huge. Okay, she's a big one. Oh yeah, ma'am. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Let's get it. All right, so y'all, look at this. Probably one of the biggest PR packages I've ever gotten. So the first thing you see is a hoodie, which is so cute, especially right now in these winter colder months. Okay, so this one says Brown Sugar Babe X AI the Great. If you don't know who AI the Great is, this is her. She is a fragrance influencer and she's been doing her thing for many years. So super exciting to see her collab with Brown Sugar Babe. Congrats to you, my girl. Okay, and then the back looks like this. Let's see my size. Yeah, we got a nice cute little medium. Okay, so we've got our nice little pull over hoodie. So cute. Love this. Definitely gonna be rocking this, y'all. Then we've got the cards, the notes, the everything that we need to know when it comes to these fragrances. Okay, it seems like there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new body oils. Oh my god, so I've got 5 new body oils to share with y'all. If you don't know, and there are literally 5 different body oils in these 3 boxes. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love this. Oh my gosh. How stinking cute. Okay, so this first box is called Mother. Here is the first box. We have the body oil called Mother, and it has obviously the body oil as well as a tiara. Where am I going to use this? Rose gold. Y'all knew I like rose gold, didn't y'all? Okay, so we've got our little tiara and we're going to smell her. This is called Mother. Here we go. And so Mother is inspired by Dries Van Noten Soy Malasquez. Never heard of this fragrance before, but baby, it is matter, okay? So it has black currant, bergamot, silk, rose, chestnut, and cacao. It's a fragrance that is luxurious with black currant, silky roses, creamy cacao. Wear your crown boldly because this scent was made for queens like me. Yes, okay? So this is Mother. Let's go ahead and try her down. I need to get all my pumps. Y'all know Brown Sugar Babe sell pumps now? I need to get some pumps because, yeah. Wow. Ooh, this smells so good. Ooh, I love this. No, Brown Sugar Babe never has disappointed me yet. Okay? Oh, this is a really soft girl fragrance. I know it says queen and everything like that, but you would think queen is like super powerful and like rah. To me, honestly, I feel like this is like the queen that doesn't have to do too much. Okay? This is that type of thing. This is like Queen Esther. Okay, if you know Queen Esther in the Bible, this is giving Queen Esther, like, yes, she was a queen, but at the end of the day, she was very meek. So it's like, it's giving soft queen. This is not a loud queen at all. Okay, Mother, 10 out of 10 for Mother. I love the tiara, y'all. Like, look at this. Where am I ever gonna use this? We got Mother. Look at this. It's a rose gold with like brown and purple. Super cute. You like that soft scent. You don't want a scent that's gonna do too much. That's very subtle. This is for you. Again, this is a subtle. I would wear this to like work. I would wear this to church. Anything that's you want to be like soft and notice, but not too much. Like, you don't want too much attention. Mother is for you. All right, let's get into the gourmands. And oh my gosh, immediately. Wow. Come through, Brown Sugar Babe. I love this. And I really am sorry that you guys watch this stuff and like you wish you could get packaging like this. I'm sorry. I just happen to be on the PR list, and I worked really hard to get on brands PR list. So even though you're not getting the full-on package and the glam like we get as influencers or content creators, please still support the brand, because ultimately it's not really about the packaging, it's about the product. So I still really do love these products whether or not I got PR or not, okay? I've bought in at least 10 Brown Sugar Babe oils with my own money, aside from them sending them to me. Like, I just got on their PR like last year. So just FYI, I know I had some comments in a previous video of people like, well, dang, like, why the PR packages be so cute, but then everything else be like whatever. But that's what PR is. Like, PR is the brand saying, hey, I'm gonna give you this gift, can you promote it for me? So like, if they're gonna give you a gift and you're gonna promote them technically for free, it gotta be cute. So don't ever feel bad that your gifts are just literally in regular boxes, because that's just the way it is when you buy the product. I did not buy these with my own money. They were sent to me. However, the opinions are my own. They're not paying me to say how I feel. I love Brown Sugar Babe. I wore Brown Sugar Babe to church. Like, I'm always wearing Brown Sugar Babe, okay? So we've got another mug. This is now my second mug from Brown Sugar Babe. And this one is super cute, and it says Gourmand Girly. If you don't know what gourmand is, it's any fragrance that smells like a food. So vanilla, chestnut, cacao, pistachios, marshmallows, those are gourmands. Anything that smells like a food is a gourmand fragrance. So if you are a foodie type of scent girl, and again, foodie meaning sweet, fluffy, yummy stuff, this is for you, okay? So anyways, we've got a cute little mug. That's cute or whatever. All right, and then we've got a case. Oh my gosh, this came at the perfect time because your girl is about to be traveling. So this is a cute little case, and it says Gourmand Girly by Brown Sugar Babe, and it has one perfume oil. Ooh, this is my first time having an oil. I have the body oils, but not a perfume oil, period. So I could use this for my... I could use this cute little thing for my travels. So cute. And this is a perfume oil in the scent of Gourmand Girly. Perfume oil from Brown Sugar Babe. The perfume oil is going to be way more concentrated, which is kind of obvious. Ooh, super cute. So here is the perfume oil. The perfume oils come in a smaller size. This is a 30 milliliter. So it's really small, but it's supposed to be really powerful. Okay, so this is called Gourmand Girly. All right, let's get into her. Definitely still has the same vibe as a body oil, but it's definitely, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Literally, it smells like a bakery. It smells so yummy, so delicious. Like, that is a 10 out of 10 for sure. My first perfume oil. Really does go nice on the skin, which I really love. This little thing, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. I love the packaging. I love that it is a perfume oil, so it stands out from the body oils, and it's easy to travel with, which I am gonna travel with in my next couple travels, okay, period. In the last box, we have 3 body oils. Our Perfect Pear, Endless Love, and Brown Banana Foster. Wow. I don't know any of these fragrances, but let's get into it. I'm gonna do a giveaway soon. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. All right, so the first one we're gonna go into is called Endless Love. And Endless Love is inspired by Navatix Parfum Amour Infinite. Okay, wow, this has a lot of notes, okay? It has pomegranate, grapefruit, bergamot, pineapple, rose, honeysuckle, orange blossom, jasmine, white chocolate, vanilla, driftwood, heliotrope, and sandalwood. This has everything in it, okay? And it seems to be a juicy fragrance, which is perfect because spring is on the way. Spring is almost here, so. Now it has a whole lot of notes, but I can't really smell all of them. All right, so immediately, let me see from this list. Immediately, I can smell the sandalwood, the jasmine, and the orange. I really smell like a more citrusy vibe, which, to be fair, it does have 3 citruses in here. So I would describe Endless Love as a very citrusy, floral type of body oil. Is it my absolute favorite? Not really, but it does smell good because I feel like all of them smell good. It just all depends on what you like. It does smell nice, but it's not my favorite. I'm gonna give this a cute 6 out of 10. 6 because it does still smell good. It's just not my favorite, okay? And I think that's okay. I could smell the grapefruit in here. I feel like that's what's kind of throwing me off. The fact that I could smell grapefruit and pomegranate, I don't feel like those are pleasant scents. Like they're fruity and juicy, but they're not sweet. So I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10. It's not my favorite, but it might be your favorite if you love a good citrusy scent. I think I'm gonna give this one away. Somebody in my life. Who? I don't know, but somebody's gonna get this in my immediate circle. Probably give it to my sister. Her birthday's coming up. All right, so that was Endless Love. Next, we're gonna go into Perfect Pear, and it is inspired by Navatis Parfum Amour Intense. This is Perfect Pear, and it has apple, pear, almond, rum, ylang ylang, coffee, sugarcane, caramel, whipped cream, cinnamon. I love this already. This is a true gourmand fragrance. From the apples, pears, and almonds to the rum, sugarcane, coffee, caramel, whipped cream, cinnamon. That is what a gourmand is supposed to be. Like literally all the foods, okay? My whole pantry is in this thing. I know I'm gonna love this. I love it. I love it already. I didn't even smell it. I love it. I can smell it from the bottle. I love it already. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Strap trying to embarrass me. I love it. 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 The pear and the sugar cane is what instantly I can smell. And the apples. I can smell the apples too. I love this. Oh, this is gonna be rocked. I am so sweet. It's so sweet. Make you salivate. I love this one so much. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book, baby. Perfect Pear. If you love that nice juicy, you love a good juicy juice, this is her. 10 out of 10 for Perfect Pear. I love it. Between the pear, the sugar cane, and the apples, it's literally like you just juiced. Like you're using your juicer. It smells really good. It smells really fresh. It smells sweet. It smells soft. I love this. It's a 10 out of 10. I would say definitely pick this up if you were looking for a new one. And last but not least, we have the last fragrance, which is called Brown Banana Foster, and it is inspired by Navatis Parfum Amberosa Imperial. Okay, this one has a lot of notes as well, okay? This one has banana, rum, Davana, Brazilian orange, cinnamon, dates, amberwood, orchid, honeysuckle, jasmine, saffron, whipped cream, vanilla, caramel, benzoin, and musk. Okay, again, those gourmand notes, the banana, the rum, the orange, the cinnamon, the dates. Oh good, I already know it. Okay, again, this is called Brown Banana Foster. I like that they added the little rum with the brown name. Yeah, that's cute. I just know I love this. Okay, Brown Banana Foster. Woo! Blew me away. Hold on. Oh. Do I like it or no? I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like it. Hold on, wait, I gotta think about this. What am I smelling that I'm not familiar with? I think it's the Davana and the saffron. Those are two things I'm not familiar with. Davana, it looks like it's sort of like a mint or a like basil type leaf. I feel like it's this right here that I don't like. To me, it looks like a little bit of a parsley type of vibe. Is it in the parsley family? Hold on. Hey Siri, what is Davana? Because I need to research what a Davana is. I feel like it's in the like parsley pear, not parsley, thyme, produce section. I gotta search this up really quick. What is it? I feel like that's what's throwing Davana. There it goes. It is a little herb. It's an herb. All right, so Davana is an herb, a member of the silver leaf Armistia family, native to India. Tea-like smell. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Because I'm like, all these other notes are things that I like, but is that Davana? I don't like the Davana. If the Davana was not in here, it would have been a high rating. I don't like that Davana. The Davana in here smells like tea. I knew it. See, that's why you gotta know your fragrances, okay? I knew there was something in there right away that is not familiar to me, and it was that Davana, okay? I can see other people liking this, but the herb smell is driving me insane. And it has so many other good notes, from the banana, the rum, the amber, the caramel, the whipped cream, the chocolate, not the chocolate, the vanilla, the cinnamon, the dates. It's the Divana. The Divana ruined it for me. I know I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. For that Divana plant right here, that sucker right there ruined this one for me. Okay, she ruined it. She ruined it. She ruined it. She ruined it. Why would they do that? But again, that's the note of the perfume that it's inspired by, so I understand. Okay, it is what it is. It's just, you know, you can't like them all. Don't shoot me, okay? But it is what it is. So to wrap up this video, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the ones that I actually think you should get, and it's only gonna be 2. Okay, there's only 2 things for sure that I feel like you should get, and that is the perfume oil and Gourmand Girly. Now the perfume oils are a little bit more expensive than the body oils, if I'm not mistaken. Packs a bigger punch than the body oils. I feel like this perfume oil might be good for you. This is again called Gourmand Girly. In the description, you're gonna see how everything is listed, but I am going to list the 2 that I actually think you should get. It's supposed to last longer and it's quality. Okay, so definitely try getting Gourmand Girly this go round. And the Perfect Pear. Okay, I feel like Perfect Pear definitely stood out to me the most because it is very, very sweet. Okay, it's very sweet, it's fruity, it's juicy, and I like that type of scent, and I feel like it goes with almost any perfume that you can put on top of this. So those are literally, these are the only 2 I for sure think out of this video. We did 5, so out of the 5, these are my top 2 recommendations. Again, Gourmand Girly perfume oil and Perfect Pear body oil. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it real, whether I'm getting PR or not. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all because listen, it's your money. I wanna make sure you use it wisely. I can only express what I feel or what my opinions are on fragrances. So I do hope that you take this with a grain of salt, or you take it as face value, because I'm gonna give my honest opinion. So if that is something that definitely helped you in your journey for new body oils, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on TikTok now that it's back, y'all. TikTok went away literally yesterday. Now it's back. Girl, bye. And I will check in with you guys later. Let me know down in the comments what other videos you would like to see. Do you want to know how to layer your fragrances? Let me know, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.